Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the BOTSLAB 4K wireless outdoor security camera 4Cam kit, a solar-powered surveillance system designed for no-subscription home security with advanced AI and 360 degrees coverage. If you want comprehensive protection without monthly fees, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It features four 4K Ultra HD cameras with 3MP resolution and 360 degrees pan and tilt capability via PTZ technology. Full-color night vision with enhanced LEDs ensures clear footage even in total darkness. The built-in solar panels keep batteries charged with just 2 to 3 hours of daily sunlight. AI recognition distinguishes people, vehicles, and pets to reduce false alerts sent to your phone. The included base station offers 32 GB local storage, saving up to 2 months of looped footage with no subscription required. Dual-band 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi ensures stable connectivity. Two-way audio with a powerful Siren adds interactive security and deterrence. IP66 weatherproof rating withstands rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. Easy DIY setup requires no professional installation. Real-world users praise the crystal-clear 4K video quality and responsive motion tracking. The solar panels effectively maintain charge even in less sunny conditions, and the no-subscription model eliminates ongoing costs. Some users report occasional false triggers from shadows or small animals, and the app interface could be more intuitive. Battery performance varies with motion frequency and sun exposure, though solar charging compensates well. If you want a powerful, subscription-free 4K security system with 360 degrees tracking, AI detection, and solar convenience, the BOTSLAB 4Cam kit delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.